No, the title is not clickbait. I do have a remote work from home job coming up in the human resources field that does pay up to $104 an hour and does not require any kind of college degree. So stay with me through the end of this video. But welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have 5 different job leads in today's video, all in the human resources field. I did a poll on the page a few days ago and asked if people were interested in human resources or administrative type roles. I got mixed reviews, but I did have enough people that said they were interested. I thought I would throw this video out here. With that being said, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, bringing them to you on a daily basis, and I am trying to be helpful to people, so I take requests in the comments of what you're looking for, and I always try to keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. If I come across anything that I know someone is looking for, I do share that because the goal of this channel is to be as helpful as possible, trying to help you find the best work from home job that fits you. So please share with all your friends and family, give this video a thumbs up, a like button, and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss out. First up, we have the company SeatGeek. Now, SeatGeek does ticket sales to different events. On Glassdoor, they have 201 reviews from current and past employees with a 3.7 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They're hiring an HRIS specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to join their global people operations team, helping to support the day-to-day administrative task. You're going to be partnered closely with all of their different teams that work within HR, including recruiting, benefits, payroll, all of that. You're going to own the HRIS data, including onboarding of new employees, promotions, terminations, and transfers. You're going to make sure data integrity is accurate and all people in the HRIS system, which is a Workday that they use. You'll serve as the primary point of contact for employee Workday troubleshooting questions. You'll provide tier 1 and 2 level support for issues related to functional and technical HR matters in the Workday system, creating basic reporting within the system, and just managing the day-to-day system administration. Now, this HR position is not going to require any kind of college degree, just great attention to detail. They do want somebody who has experience with either Greenhouse, a Workday, or Jira. Those are HR systems. Somebody who has the ability to work within a team and as an individual contributor in a fast-paced environment. Of course, you got to have great communication skills and be a self-starter. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $70,000 a year. They do provide a standard benefit package, plus they're going to provide a work from home stipend so you can get your home office set up. And because they do tickets to live events, you'll get $120 a month as a bonus to spend on tickets to live events. They're also going to throw in subscriptions to Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, so you won't have to pay for those out of your regular paycheck. I do just want to quickly mention, when I asked about people who were interested in HR or human resources jobs, someone left a comment saying that it's very hard to find jobs that require no degree and no experience in the human resources field. And I do agree with that comment. Most jobs are either going to require some kind of experience or some kind of degree, but these jobs, most of them don't require both together. So if they're going to require the degree, they kind of are less on the experience. And if they're going to require the experience, they don't so much require the degree. So just know there's going to be a mix of things in this video. I'm just sharing jobs in general in the human resources field. I do want to note, if you have experience or can get working in the human resources field, it's one of the highest paying work from home fields outside of technology and engineering that pays in the 6 figures some with no college degree required. And of course, human resources is something that you can completely do from home. It is an industry, if you want to have a career in the work from home field, that is good to get into. But enough rambling. Moving right along, next up we have Parsons Corporation. Now, Parsons Corporation has 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an employee rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an HR Central Benefits Specialist. This is remote, again, for the United States. All of these positions are going to be for the United States. They're basically looking for somebody to help work with their employees who have questions or inquiries relating to their employee benefit plans. You'll be resolving employee questions, disputes, and issues with the benefit programs in a timely manner. You're going to assist and advise employees who are enrolling in benefit plans. You're going to process their benefit transactions in the HR system. You will serve as an informational resource for HR call center, including but not limited to onboarding of new employees, offboarding if people are leaving the company, payroll policies, and procedures. You're going to respond to these benefit inquiries from managers and employees on plan provisions, benefit enrollment, status changes, and any other general questions that they have. Of course, you're going to document all your interactions with employees in the Salesforce case management system, so there is a record of it. Now, with this one, it says that they desire a bachelor degree or equivalent from a 2-year college or technical school, but that is desired and not required. They do want somebody who has 2 years of benefit experience and 2 years of customer service experience with strong knowledge of HR benefits and payroll concepts. Now, they do need somebody who can work the hours of 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. No weekends are needed, but if you're outside of the Eastern Time Zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And of course, you have to have great communication skills. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $24.18 an hour all the way up to $42.31 an hour. So if you can get into the human resources field, it is a very high paying field. Moving right along, we have a healthcare company, Molina Healthcare. They are hiring an employee resource center specialist. This is again remote for the United States. They're basically looking for somebody to be the frontline human resource support for their current and former employees, ranging from inquiries and actions of submitted requests through email, ticket, and telephone calls. So you'll provide knowledgeable, efficient, and courteous support to employees about any human resource matters they have, including benefits, payroll, time away or pay time off, policies, procedures, and health and safety. You'll resolve current and former employees' inquiries in a timely manner, making sure that you adhere to the SLAs. Of course, you're going to answer phone calls and emails, document anything that you discuss with them in the system, and you'll assist with monitoring open cases, supporting achievement of the SLAs through mentorship of team members. Now, as far as what they're looking for, as long as you have 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, you only need a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. If you have no experience, they will take an associate's or bachelor's degree in a human resources related field over having any experience. So this is one of those jobs where it's either degree or experience, but you don't have to have both. Now, unfortunately, pay was not listed in this job description. That'll have to be asked at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online. Next up, we have the company Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade crypto, but they are listed on the stock exchange. They are United States-based financial company. They have 778 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a people operations associate generalist. So basically, you're going to be primarily working on defined people operation processes, so new hires, promotions, terminations, and relocations, or other job changes in the system, workday, facilitation, and documentation of those changes. You'll share ownership and triage tickets in their ticket portal. They use Gyro for that. You'll help assist in gathering any documentations for employee audits, prepare regular reports extracting data from the HR system, and you'll train new members of the team on their well-defined HR processes. Now, what they are looking for is somebody who has 3 years of HR operations experience, someone who has great communication skills and can be customer focused. So they're not going to require any degree either. They want the experience over the degree. However, again, human resources pays very well. Pay for this position is anywhere from $83,300 a year up to $98,000 a year. And of course, it comes with a complete benefit package. All right, and I promised I would deliver that the title was not clickbait. Last but not least, we have the well-known social media forum Reddit. I know I personally use Reddit. I know most of you probably have heard of Reddit. Now, Reddit as a company has 265 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a senior HR business partner. Now, they're looking for somebody to help inspire, educate, and influence their people to execute the company's people and culture programs. You're going to help develop these trusted relationships with the leaders of Reddit and employees, being a role model for Reddit's company values. So when you think of human resources, they not only process your benefit package and payroll and stuff like that. Human resources is where you go to know your policies and procedures. They deal with like work culture and all of things like that, trying to make a positive all-around work culture. They deal with everything that is employee environment and culture related. So you're going to be connecting your work and contributions to align with that and inform business strategies and objectives. Now you're also going to manage employee relations cases and investigations, including performance management, conflict resolution, and employee concerns. You'll advocate for diversity and inclusion, belonging initiatives to build a workforce and culture where representation matters and employees can accept and respect each other's differences. So you will also have to help because of that with the recruiting team and business leaders to evaluate hiring needs and headcounts when planning for hiring. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They want the experience over the degree. They do want somebody who has 7 years of HR experience, somebody who can partner with and coach on various levels of employees. So someone who can be patient with people and just be a teacher. They do want somebody who has expertise in HR competencies like talent management, organization effectiveness, employee relations, things like that, coaching and mentoring. So if you've ever been a leader before who has had to train and coach other people. Now let's get down to what really matters. If you have human resources experience and you're looking to move into the work from home field, this position pays on the low end $145,700 a year, on the high end $218,600 a year. If you divide $218,000 by 52 weeks in a year and then 40 hours in a normal work week period, you get $104 an hour. On top of the amazing pay, they are going to provide a benefit package as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Please give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed any of these job leads. Share with all your friends and family. We all want to live our happiest, healthiest life working from home, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.